Good morning, dear hearts. We are at lesson 299, and that in and of itself just sounds like a milestone. So, today's lesson is Eternal Holiness Abides in Me. And this lesson begins with the line, "My holiness is far beyond my own ability to understand or know." Our holiness was, the idea of our holiness was introduced to us back in the beginning of part 1 of the workbook. There were several consecutive lessons in the 30s talking to us about what our holiness is. And that's really important, I think, to go back to revisit those ideas, because we're being told that we probably don't understand what our holiness is or what it can do for us. And those earlier lessons are going to help to make this more clear in our mind. And I say make it more clear because if we knew, there would be no need even for this lesson, okay? Our holiness has been established because we are part of God. And the beginning lessons, the ones I was talking about, say, my mind is part of God's. I'm very holy. My holiness envelops everything I see. My holiness blesses the world, and there's nothing my holiness cannot do. This is how our holiness is established in our mind and how we get to think about it, because our holiness aligns us, connects us with our true ability, our true identity, who we really are. Our holiness is established in us because we are part of God. And because we are part of God and because we have this characteristic, we are here to extend that holiness, your goodness, your peace of mind. Your holiness reverses all of the laws that of time and space that we have believed in but are not true. A holiness is our guide to salvation, because it blesses everyone and it is inclusive to everyone. Our holiness from the earlier lesson tells us that it gives us dominion, okay? It gives us guidance, power. It gives us power over all of the doubts that we have had within our mind. And what our holiness does is ultimately, as we learn to extend that and only that, it will bring us back to the center of creation, to the center of God, to the center of our true self. This lesson, 299, talks about that my holiness is, Father, my holiness is not of me. And what that means, it's not that it's not of us, but I'm not the one that made it. I'm not the one that established it. So it has come from God. So because it has come from God, I don't have the ability to destroy it. No matter what I do, my holiness blesses the world, and it is eternal and abides in me, in you, forever. All right, so that's it for today. Lesson 300 tomorrow. I hope this helped. I hope you like. I hope you share. I hope you subscribe. I hope you comment. And be here with me tomorrow. We are obviously completing this year we are giving to God. Namaste.